In this experiment we will see how to extract particular signal content using FIR filter. Before running this experiment, first run the experiment monitoring GSM channels to know the active channels. Let us process the GSM signal captured with center frequency 939.6 MHz. When the processing is done, transfer the files from WiGuide to your computer. This is the spectrum of the captured samples before filtering operation. This one is after applying band-pass filtering with lower cutoff frequency equal to 5% of the sampling frequency and upper cutoff frequency equal to 30% of the sampling frequency. This is high-pass filter output when the cutoff frequency is 30% of the sampling frequency. This is low-pass filter output when the cutoff frequency is 50% of the sampling frequency. This one is with 30%. And this one is with 15%. In the Python code, this is how the FIR filter is designed with required cutoff frequencies for filtering the GSM channels. You can also apply similar filtering operation to FM and LTE signals by appropriately changing center and cutoff frequencies.